How to search any channel or group in Telegram. In this video, I will show you how you can search different channels or different groups in your Telegram account. First of all, open your Telegram app or Telegram account on your mobile phone. At the top right side, you can see there is search option. Just click on search option. Now, when you click on search option, here you can search anything that you want. Like mean, if you want to search some channel or group about crypto, you will search here crypto, and there are many that you can see. There are three channels in front of you, so you can decide anyone. You can open anyone and can subscribe. It's 68.4k subscriber here. So this is our channels, crypto channel. Again, if you have any specific username that you want to search, here you will write at the rate and then that username. You must know that username. When you say this, you can see. So if you have more searches, let's suppose you want to search channel about traveling. So you will search here traveling, and you will see there's a result. You can see there are three channel about traveling, so you can open anyone. When there are 28 members, also this is 44 subscriber. So here this is a way you can search different groups or channel, but specifically if you want to join any channel or group, you must know their username. If you know their username, then you don't need any link. Just come here and search at the rate, then type its username. When you type this username, then you will find that group or page here. So this is the way you can search any channel or group on Telegram.